Hello everyone! Today we are going to take a look at views. So a view is basically a record set which can be treated like a table. So you create the view with the query and then you can select, update and delete from it just like as if it were a table. So to show you this, I have a query here. And I'm just joining these two tables together, which is our order table and our customer table. So the result set looks like this. I mean, you probably wouldn't create a view just for two tables, but you could if you wanted to. So what we need to do to turn this into a view is we're just going to use create or alter DBO and view. I always prefix views with VW underscore and we'll call it customer orders, and then I'm just going to use as like we did with a stored procedure, and that's going to create the view here with like this query. So I also need to write view there actually, yeah, duh. So create or alter view, DBO view underscore customer orders there. So that's going to create the view based on this query here. So if I run that and just have a look now under our Object Explorer, we can see now under views that we do have this view here, so we can select from it there, and this is what we get. We can also use it to update, so we can say like update view customers set type ID equals 2 where order ID equals 2. And we can see there that's now updated the type ID there, and it's not best practice to update using a view, but you can do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, right? So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to add any comments below, and the next tutorial in this series we're going to take a look at hash tables. So thank you for watching.